Hello, I'm very happy to see you again in this tutorial. Now for this part, I'm going to show you how we can customize the XML file to create your own TOEFL uh, IBT listening test. Now, first thing first, the most important thing when you work with any kinds of files is that we need to create a backup. Now this is really important as you just don't know when troubles happen. So just copy and paste. Now, whenever something goes wrong with this listening data, I just need to delete this file and then I copy this file or copy the backup file, rename it to listening data, and everything is fine. Now remember again, you need to create a backup file. If not, when troubles happen, you can only blame yourself. Right, before we begin, these are things you need to prepare. Now for this listening test, I'm going to create a test with two audio passages. So for each passage, I need a picture. This picture will be shown when the audio passage is played, and then the audio passage. Now let's have a try with this file.
Listen as a professor leads a class discussion. Today, instead of...
Right. And then the questions. Now these are the resources you will need to replace in the XML file. Now let's open the listening data XML file with WordPad. Now as you see here, we have two passages, one discussions and one lectures. Don't care about the name, you can name the second lecture, it's okay. But I just put lecture to make it different from the previous discussion. Because time is limited, so I only want to show you how the whole program works. So I delete the discussion part about the lake. Okay, so in the next demonstration, you will see only one audio listening passage, and also I train because the text becomes shorter. Okay, I also need to reduce the time, so I make it only 10 minutes. And let's change a little bit here just to give you some ideas about things work. Actually, the rules is very simple. All you need to do is to train the text here with your own text. Train the data with your own data. Okay. Now let's put in here. For example, I put it demonstration, and instead of early teachers, I put it here TOEFL IBT listening. Now I save that and then start the application. Click on next.
This section measures your ability to understand conversations.
If you don't want to listen to the introduction, just click on next.
You will hear each conversation or lecture.
And also you can click on the full screen button
after
here
each conversation or
to
lecture,
view the text on the full screen mode.
About it. Listen to a lecture.
Right now you see the text I have just typed in up here, and also time has been changed from 10 minutes to from 15 minutes to 10 minutes. Also, please note that the
hope
time
you'll
on
understand this
the
information
clock
about early
only
teachers,
work
and I think you'll
when
appreciate how much the
the
life of the
students
teacher has changed
or
over
the
the past
user
century.
actually work on the questions.
Early in the 20th
While
century, the life of the teacher
the
was quite
audio
different from
passage
what it
is
is
playing,
now.
the
There were
timer
very
will
strict
not work.
rules that governed every aspect of the teacher's life.
Now,
The rules weren't
the
just
user
about how a
can
teacher could
train
conduct
the volume
herself in the classroom and on the school grounds.
to
There were also numerous rules that
the
governed
level
just
that
about
they
everything a teacher
feel
did.
appropriate.
Here are some of the rules. Teachers had to follow strict rules about their appearance. They were sometimes told not to wear
Now,
colorful clothing,
this is the
not
picture
to dye their hair or
that
wear it
you
loose,
see in the
and not
listening
to
data
wear their
folder.
skirts above the ankle. Teachers' whereabouts during
So
after-school
basically,
hours
to
were
create
also
your
strictly
own
regulated.
listening text,
There were rules
you
forbidding
need to
teachers to go
replace
to
this
bars
picture with
and
your
to
own
ice cream
picture,
parlors.
and
There were
also
rules requiring teachers to
replace
be home after 8 in
this
the
file
evening.
with your
And
own
there were
file,
some rules
and then
forbidding them
change
to
the
leave
name
town without
in
permission.
the XML file.
Just about any action a teacher wanted to take could be regulated. Teachers could be forbidden to smoke or to drink. They were also sometimes forbidden to spend time with men or to marry if they wanted to remain teachers.
Right. Now, the user start to work
Number
on the
12.
questions. And you see
Who is
here there
listening
is
to the
only
lecture?
one passage and 6 questions. Right. Now, the timer begins to work. These are multiple choice questions. The user just needs to click on one of the choices. So who is listening to the lecture? From what I heard, okay, it should be future teachers. Then I click on next. Okay, and before going on, the user needs to confirm. I
Number
click
13.
on okay.
The rules discussed in the lecture relate to what period of time?
Well, I don't know, so I just click on A.
Number
Pretty
14.
fast.
What is stated in the
I'm trying to
lecture
show
about
you
the
the different
rules
question
for
types
teachers?
that will appear. Okay, so in the previous 2 questions, we work on multiple choice. Now, this is on the okay two questions. Two answers questions. Basically, the user needs to click on 2 choices to go on. Now, if the user only click on one, then this message will appear. Also, they can only choose 2. If more than 2 are clicked, okay, things will not work too. Now, in the XML file, okay, this question is show at time C to A mean to answer. So in for this listening passage, I have question number 3, question number 4, and question number 6. Right. So I have 3 okay to answer questions, and of course you need to provide in the correct answer tag the 2 correct answers like this and like this. Now for the multiple choice or the MCQ question type, only one choice is correct. So you only need to put one correct answer choice here like this. Now let's come back. I have chosen to